So hi everyone, welcome back in the next session of OSPF routing protocol. This is the part of CCNP ENARSI and we are going to cover the best or the advanced part of CCNP, and we have done multiples of session on CCNP free of cost in this particular channel. So if you are new over here, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all notification. Okay, so what is OSPF packet types? Okay, in previous session we have done different types of component in OSPF, but in this session we will discuss the packet types as per OSPF. So OSPF uses 5 different packet types. Okay, OSPF uses 5 different packet type to exchange routing and link state information. Okay, because OSPF is a link state routing protocol, and these packets helps router discover neighbor. OSPF packet means OSPF send the packet with neighbor router. For example, this is the router 1 and there is router 2 and there is router 3, and for example there is router 4 and there is router 5 R5, maybe there is R6 R7, okay, maybe R8 and R9. okay, maybe there is different routers, and every router have OSPF routing configuration. Okay, so OSPF routers send or maintain 5 types of hello packet or 5 types of packets for the neighborship agencies. Okay, for to build the neighborship or to share the update with neighbor router to send the packet on destination route. Okay, so there is 5 types of packet. So 5 types of packets in OSPF routing protocol to exchange routing. Okay, the packets helps to exchange routing, and these packets help to discover the neighbor router. These packets helps the R1 to discover the neighbor, R5 to discover the neighbor R2, okay, R2 discover the neighbor R9. Okay, and also it maintain the agencies, like any type of update and changes it maintain on behalf of hello or on behalf of the OSPF packets, and it keep the network topology updated, like which packet, which path down, which path update up. We can define our OSPF define, not we can OSPF define the updated network route or updated routers in OSPF algorithm. Okay, so there is hello packet, there is database description, and there is LSR link state request, LSU link state update, and LSA link state acknowledgement. Okay, so hello packet means discover and maintain neighbor. It discover the neighbor and maintain the neighbor. Okay, database description send a summary of LSDB link state database description. Okay, link state DB. So database description is the complete information about OSPF routing protocol or routing algorithm or configuration part. Okay, LSA link state request is specific LSA from a neighbor. If there is any missing thing in database description, then LSR will happen. Okay, and after LSR, our routers update with LSU link state update, send detailed routing information to maintain the missing part of database description or to maintain the missing part of DB. So LSU will happen. Okay, after LSR. So LSA acknowledgement is the final message that acknowledge and receipt for LSA. Okay, so let's define what is hello, what is DBD, what will happen in hello, what will happen in DBD, what about LSR. We'll discuss many things. Okay, for example, there is detailed explanation in OSPF packet types, like what is hello packet. So purpose of hello packet to discover the neighbor. Okay, initiate and maintain neighbor relationship. Okay, key field which contain OSPF, it hold router ID, it hold hello and dead interval time, and area ID, DR and BDR information, and if there is authentication enabled, then it control or contains the authentication part to build the neighborship, okay, with neighbor router. So these are the component which will like maintain in hello packet, okay. So it used during neighbor discovery and regular keep alive, like our neighbor router, for example this router send the hello packet to the neighbor router on or like on every specific period of time, and on behalf of hello packet it maintain the keep alive route and maintain the discover the neighbor, okay. So there is periodically hello message, like every 10 seconds our router send the hello message to the neighbor, and neighbor router reply with update message, okay. So maybe if there is no reply in 10 seconds, there is the hold down timer and last timer with 40 seconds. So there is 40-second timer. In 40-second router update the path, okay. So without hello packet, no OSPF neighbor relationship is performed, okay. For example, this is the very important packet. Without hello packet, the neighbor router never build the neighborship with OSPF enabled router. So it is very important to update the hello packet by every router, okay. And every router send the hello packet on behalf of the timer or periodic timer, which is 10 seconds. Then what is database description, database detail? So DBD, in short it is DBD, purpose to exchange a summary means all details about routing protocol, okay, of LSA in the routing or in the router's LSTB, link state database description. So DBD means database description. It is the complete information about OSPF. It exchange as a summary part of neighbor router, used during X start and X exchange states, okay. So you can it used during X start or and exchange states, okay. Master and slave relationship, we will know in the part of HDD selection, hard disk drive, okay. So it's an older technology in storage, but there is the concept of master and slave relationship. One router act as a master and during DBD exchange, okay. So maybe this is the monitor of class, okay. So master router maintain the all details, okay, helps each router compare database to find out what information it is missing, okay. Then next thing is link state request. Link state request means request specific LSA, okay, from a neighbor. If there is any missing part in DBD, then it maintain or it request the link state update or we can say just it is a it request a specific link state algorithm or information from the neighbor, used when a router receive a DBD packet and realize that it's missing some LSA, okay. Then it request LSR or it maintain LSR, and on behalf of LSR there is LSU, okay. Like I see you have something, I don't, please can't it to me, like that, okay. But you can see that link state update send full LSA detail, complete link state update details will be sent by the LSU packet by the router, and it maintain the missing part of DBD, database description, okay. And there is acknowledgement. What about acknowledgement? It is the final update of LSR and LSU, like acknowledgement to receipt of LSU packet, okay, means the packet has been done successfully. So it is a basically successful message. Acknowledgement means it is a successful update, okay, by LSU. So it prevent resending LSA, because if there is no acknowledgement, so it will, for example, if you are calling to someone or if you are calling your friend and your friend receive the call but there is no reply like hello, who are you, and you are sending hello, 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 and there is no reply from the other side by from your friend. So what do you think, that there is no like any successful conversation? So continuously you can send hello message to the neighbor or to your friend, and your friend didn't reply due to some reason. Maybe he is busy, maybe she is busy, okay, maybe there may be any reason, okay. So you can reconnect, you can resend the recall to your friend. That's why the same way router work. After hello and hi means a successful reply, both will understand that yes, I have successful conversation. Then there is no hello message, okay. First time you send hello message and your friend send hi, then both of you understand that yes, there is successful conversation, and after that you can start the further discussion, okay. So same way our routers in OSPF work on behalf of database description, the complete information of OSPF details, LSR, the link state request, if there is any missing part in DVD, if our router think that is there any part which is missing in the DVD, then it generate LSR, and after request there is update message, and after update there is acknowledgement, okay. So acknowledgement is the successful message. So these are the things, okay. And in short, there is flow diagram like hello, discover neighbor, DVD, exchange LSDB summaries with neighbors and with other all like OSPF enabled routers, and LSR request missing LSA in DVD on behalf of DVD, and there is LSU link state update on behalf of LSR, and there is acknowledgement, and acknowledgement is the final conversation and the successful like conversation with neighbor, okay. So this is the complete thing about OSPF packet types, okay. So hope you understand that what about OSPF packet type and how does it work, right? In further video we will discuss about metric calculation and how to set up OSPF routing protocol first lab, how to configure OSPF version 2, and how to configure v3, what about stub, multi-area, DR, BDR, ASBR, ABR. There are different things in OSPF. It's a long like syllabus, so we will discuss time to time. Hope you understand the session. If any doubt, please ask in comment section, and subscribe our channel to get all notifications and press bell icon also, okay. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.